Hello students, this is Shumon Ghosh. I am from JoinEGuru. This is a leading online computer organizations and it conducts different programming languages courses as well as different school computer courses just like ICSE, ISC, CBSE and West Bengal board also. Regarding my 12 years teaching experience, I am conducting different programming languages as well as different school level courses. Today my focus is on programming language, and according to the syllabus of ICSE, ISC, CBSE and West Bengal board, the programming language is very important part regarding computer science and computer applications topics. So at first we start with program. What is program? A program is a collection of instructions that can be written by using any programming language to solve any problem. So according to the classifications of program, we can get different names just like high level language, machine level language, assembly level language. So what are the different classifications? So at first the basic level is number 1, it is machine level. Second one is assembly level. Third one is high level. And fourth one is database oriented. Languages. So what are the different types? Machine level is called the first generation programming script. Here the instructions are written in binary mode. So it is not required any converter software here. So it works very fast. Second generation language is called assembly level language. It contains different mnemonics, addressing modes, operands, opcodes. So it is called mainly chip level programming. And here we need assembler to convert the assembly level code to machine code. And next one is high level language. Our focus is on high level language. It contains C, C++, Java, Python, etc. And here we need compiler or interpreter. These are the different softwares. They are used to convert this high level instruction set to machine code. And last one is database oriented. These are the different scripting like SQL, PLSQL and also Prolog programming language where we can use different AI regarding techniques. Now to write down any programs, we need the first step is algorithm. And next the pictorial representations of the algorithm is called flowchart. So what is algorithm? An algorithm is the step-by-step analysis of any real-life problem. To write down the algorithms, we have to start some English keywords, English like sentence formats. And at first we start from step 1 and regarding we processing the steps by numbering 1, 2, 3, etc. So my algorithm example is on sum of two numbers. So at first we write down step 1 just like start the processing. Next step 2 that is accept two numbers from users. Next step 3 perform the additions and store the result into the third variable C. And next step 4 print the value of C and finally stop the processing. This is the basic format of any algorithm. Now how can we write down the pictorial representations of this algorithm? To write down the pictorial representations we can use the flowchart. To write down any flowchart we can use different symbols just like oval, parallelogram, rectangle and also arrowheads. What are the significance? Parallelogram mainly used for input and output operations. Oval shape mainly used for start and stop. Arrowheads are used for connectors and rectangles mark mainly used for processing. In case of flowchart, we can also use different other symbols just like diamond sign for conditional approach and also cylinder for data storage. And also we can use different connectors by using circle mark. And here the pictorial representations of the above algorithm is maintained by regarding this diagram. Here we start the process and after that we accept the parameters regarding A and B and it is maintained by the parallelogram. After that we perform the additions in a rectangular pattern and store the result in the third variable C and print the data with respect to the print command and finally stop the process.